Starting off with some random things, I've got this candle from Home Center. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a scented candle in the variant cranberry. It just smells so amazing. Like immediately when you open this lid, it's a plastic lid and this is a glass container. You can smell the cranberry and it is just so nice. Immediately when you light it, your entire room will just smell so good. And I'm a sucker when it comes to candles, so I absolutely love the Bath and Body Works candles obviously, but they're like so expensive. 1000 रुपए की छोटी कैंडल्स आती हैं and 2400 की बड़े साइज कैंडल्स आती हैं, so that's really expensive. But this one just for ₹99, I think it's a great candle. So Home Center लाइफस्टाइल का पार्ट है आई थिंक, सो वहाँ से ही मिल जाएगी आपको. इट्स रियली नाइस फ्रॉम होम सेंटर एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. दिस इज़ अ टॉवल. दिस इज़ द साइज़. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल टॉवल एंड दो मिलेंगे आपको. ये ₹250 इज़ द MRP बट अंडर ₹200 ही मिलता है. इवन ऑन Amazon इट इज़ अवेलेबल फॉर रुपीज़ आई थिंक 150. सो 150 रुपीज़ में दो टॉवल्स एंड दे आर लाइक रियली सॉफ्ट. यू कैन यूज़ them as kitchen towels or I use it personally to remove my makeup. It's very soft and gentle on your face, so becomes very easy to remove your makeup. Instead of using those disposable cotton pads to remove your makeup, you can use these towels, so very useful. And of course next I've got these fairy lights from Amazon and this is just for ₹100. ये 50 rupees में भी मिल जाती है, 100 में भी, 150 में भी. There are a lot of variants. This one personally is in blue color and I think it's a really nice decor piece. आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है fairy lights. You can just hang it on your mirror. जैसे ये वाली लाइट्स है, मैंने इसको अपने मिरर पे टांग रखा है, बट दीज आर लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव. 300 की है, बट दिस वन इज़ जस्ट फॉर ₹100. सो यू कैन जस्ट use it as a decor item and it looks really nice along with the nice light which is some of the random things. And now I've got a bunch of beauty items, starting from this compact from Maybelline New York. It's their white super fresh compact and it also has SPF 28, which is a great thing. The best part about this compact is that if you have oily skin or you sweat too much, this will control your sweat and oil. Also, if you don't like to wear too much makeup, you can just apply this compact and you'll get that evenness on your face. It also has a little bit of coverage, so I think it's just a perfect compact for all those people who don't like to do too much of makeup. Just moisturizer sunscreen के ऊपर you can directly apply it and you'll get that flawless finish. Also, you won't secrete too much of oil or sweat, so it's a great चीज़ है. वो तो होनी ही थी इस वीडियो में. It's the Lakme's Insta Liner. You all know about it. I think if you have been watching my videos, you know how much I love this eyeliner. It is just for ₹120 and mostly offer पे होता है तो 90-100 रुपीज़ में eyeliner आ जाता है. And it is 9 ml but I don't know, ये कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होता है. It also says it's water resistant and I think beginners के लिए it is just a perfect eyeliner. Also, if you don't want to invest in an expensive eyeliner, I think this is just perfect. Also, there are a lot of colors available: green, blue, black and I think white also. So it's a great eyeliner under ₹200. Next, I got these sheet masks from the Face Shop. Now they are for ₹100 each, but mostly they are on offer. So if you buy them in combo, you'll get them at ₹50 each. And I personally love sheet masks because they give you that instant boost of hydration. I have dry skin, like desert dry skin, and these sheet masks are like my saviors. So if you want that instant glow on your face, I think these are just perfect, especially during this winter. I got some amazing eyeshadows from Swiss Beauty. This is how it looks like. This is I think 05 and this one is 03. I am not sure. I will link them in the description box. Just for ₹199, 200 almost, but again हमेशा ऑफर पे होते हैं. MRP तो है ही अंडर ₹200 but also you get them at around 100 rupees, always on offer. I think they are just amazing because just see the swatch, so pigmented. And if you want to do those glitter eyes or smoky glitter eyes, they're just perfect. I absolutely love these eyeshadows and I think 200 rupees mein these eyeshadows are not at all bad. They're just amazing. So I've got these eyelashes from Red Cherry. This is how the first one looks like. Next one is a little dramatic and another one. Now they're just for ₹50 but I think मैंने ये local store से लिया था. Nykaa पे I think 100-150 rupees में ये lashes And I think lashes, those branded lashes, Pack or Huda Beauty, are like so expensive. I cannot think of spending on those lashes, but these are so good. I think all of us know how eyelashes can change your entire look, and especially for a person like me who has to make makeup videos almost on a daily basis, these lashes are perfect because I can just use them 2-3 times and then get rid of them, and they're so affordable, so dukte nahi hai ye paise. And just 2-3 times you can use them multiple times, so if you keep them properly, they're just amazing. They can last you a long time. So the length and everything is just perfect. Aisa kuch nahi hai ki they are so affordable, they are not that good. They're just amazing. I personally use it almost on a daily basis. I've got a couple of nail paints. First one being from K Beauty. It's in the shade Seabed 05, and another one I have from Miniso. This is how it looks like. It's a really nice shimmer glittery nail polish. And talking about this K Beauty one, it lasts like really long. Usually nail paints last max 3 days, but this one lasted for 1 week, so I really like K Beauty nail paints. And I think nail paints, we can never get enough of them, so these are like a great buy under rupees 200. Last two things, first one being this brush from Wet n Wild. It's an eyeshadow brush and it's for rupees 195. Offer pay, you can get it at around 150 rupees, which is great. And I really love this brush because if you're a makeup lover, you know how expensive eyeshadow and normal face brushes are, but Wet n Wild ke brushes are like really affordable and also great in quality. So if you're looking for brushes, I think it's a great buy, and under rupees 200, I think it's just perfect. Lastly, I've got a lip balm from Nykaa. It's one of my most favorite lip balm. I use it every day and all the time. It is just for rupees 150, and I think it's strawberry, no, it's raspberry, and I really like its fragrance, its taste, and it's like a transparent lip balm, very comfortable on the lips and keeps my lips really hydrated. So again, a really nice buy under rupees 200. So yeah, these were all the things which I have been using and are under rupees 200. I hope you like my recommendations. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below which one you liked the most, and also do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.